So I'm going to show you a little bit about styles and how to apply them in a document. Here's the document proposal from our student data files. It is 4 pages long, and we're going to make this is our title right here. So I'm going to highlight that, and then I'm just going to click up here in the title area of our styles bar and see how that applies the title. Nice formatting there, and it makes it easier so I don't have to fiddle around with setting up what font and size I'm going to use. I just use these styles here, and there are quite a few of them. You see you have a lot of options there. Normal is for paragraphs, and then we'll talk about how the different headings work. I also want you to notice that you should be able to preview a style as you hover over it. So if this were going to be heading 1 for the title instead of title, it would look like this. Heading 2 looks like this, and then the title looks like this. You actually have to click on the selection to apply it. So I'm going to apply heading 1 to overview here and program development. Now if I want to select two things that are not right next to each other, I'm going to hold down my control key on my keyboard. So I highlighted overview, I'm holding down my control key, and now I can click and drag over program development, and I'm not selecting this part in the middle. So I'll do that again. Click here by overview, hold down my control key, and I can also click program development, and then I'm going to apply heading 1 like that. And that makes it look quite nice. So I've gone through the document and I've applied heading style 1 and 2 where it's indicated. And let's just show how to change this. Let's say I want everything that's heading 2 to be, let's say, bolded and underlined. So I bold and underline budget, and I can go up here and I can right click and I can say update heading 2 to match selection. That's a quick way of changing your headings and the way that they look. You do have a modify option here, and you can name things. That works too, but I'm just gonna update it real quick, and then anything that had that heading 2 applied should also update. Headings are going to be really helpful to us if we want to go and make table of contents, and we're going to take a look at that in just a minute. So one more thing to show you about styles is if we hit this little button right here, it'll pop out the styles pane, and in the book it talks to you about how to use that a little bit. So I just wanted to show you that because sometimes it feels like it's hidden a little bit. The next thing we're going to look at are themes, and so I'm going to the Layout tab. Sorry, that's the page layout tab in 2013. I'm using 2016 at this point, so it's the design tab, and we've got themes over here. So I just want you to see what happens as I hover over the different themes. Default is Office theme, but I can show you how things change. See how it applies different color themes to the whole document, and if I go up so you can see the title, you can see how it changes. So it's changing font and colors there. And I don't know, let's pick something. One thing that you will notice is that the names of themes are not consistent across the changes in Microsoft Office. So in your book, if it's telling you to look for Austin or Urban, you might not find that particular theme. You might have to choose another one. So I'm going to choose View. That works for me. Although that's not very colorful, and I think I want it to be colorful. I could go here and change my colors, but I think I'll just pick a different theme for the sake of ease. Okay, see that? We can tell it's got some orange in there. I like that. So that's the theme I'm going to pick. You can choose your own theme. And you can play with the colors if you want to. If we want to modify the theme, as I pointed out, there's the colors. You can also change the fonts that are used for this particular theme. So that is what I want to say about styles and themes. Again, your book offers more information. I'm just giving you a quick overview.